It is my favorite week of the year. Thanksgiving week is the best for so many reasons. First of all, pie. Second, a 4-day weekend. And lastly, great Black Friday deals on almost anything you shop for. Today, I'm going to highlight a few of my favorite Black Friday deals that I think you don't want to miss out on. First up, of course, I have to mention that at JennJager.com, we're running a Black Friday sale on my two favorite courses, Final Cut Rockstar and Motion Launchpad. Final Cut Rockstar is for beginner to intermediate Final Cut editors. We start by building a project and get more and more complex as we go. We don't just talk about the technical things about editing in Final Cut. We also go over editing theory so you can become an awesome storyteller. And Motion Launchpad is my number one favorite course right now. It is for anyone who really wants to get a good handle on motion. I know a lot of you guys learn motion from YouTube University here, but if you really want to understand the fundamentals and the basics so you can truly let your creativity fly and master Apple Motion, you need Motion Launchpad. Both of those courses are on sale this week only, but if you buy them both, you get a bundled deal. Head on over to JennJager.com to check all of that out. But I'm not the only one running an awesome Black Friday sale. My friends at FX Factory are offering 30% off site-wide this week only, and they have plugins that you've seen me feature many times on this channel, but the one I'm loving right now is called Bullseye. It uses motion tracking to lock onto an object in your shot. Check out how easy it is to use and how fast and accurate the tracking is. You guys, I did not speed this up. Obviously, Bullseye is so amazing for action shots, but if you're like me and you do a lot of corporate video work and stuff looks like this, I like to use Bullseye to add some natural looking life to shots that were captured off of a tripod. So in the past, I might have tried to add a little bit of a handheld effect just to give a little motion to a shot like this, but the Bullseye one is so much better because it moves naturally with the subject. So even if they're not moving a lot, it just adds a little extra something to these shots. I love the Bullseye effect right now, but FX Factory has so many great templates and plugins for Final Cut, so head on over to their site. I'll put all the details of their sale down below. But what about hardware? I don't usually talk a lot about hardware on this channel, but B&H has some great deals. And I called my friend over there and asked her, what did she think was the best deal that B&H was offering this season? And here it is, guys. It is the Sony ZV-1F vlogging camera with the vlogger accessory kit. Don't let the tiny size of this little camera fool you. This camera packs a lot of punch. It comes with a 20mm wide lens, so when you're vlogging, you can see more of the background and it's not just super tight on your face. And it even shoots in S-Log3 if you want to get fancy with some LUTs. Plus, the accessory pack comes with this handheld grip that doubles as a little tripod and memory cards and everything you need to be a vlogger on the go. This is such a great deal. Check it out down in the comments. And the other deal I don't think you should sleep on is from Motion VFX. Not only are they doing 30% off store-wide, but they're even offering some of their Final Cut plugins for 50% off. The Motion VFX plugin that I'm loving right now is called M Tutorial. It's perfect for creators like me for highlighting different parts of your screen. And I love that these function as actual titles. Titles are my favorite way to apply effects to my videos. I just love the functionality of titles. So if you like that too, you're gonna love M Tutorial. But even if you don't make tutorials like me, Motion VFX makes amazing high quality plugins. I'm sure you already know that. And if you've been cruising their site and have been eyeballing that one plugin that you're not sure if you wanna splurge on, this is the week to snap up that deal. I will link to all the details you need to know to get that 30% off Motion VFX plugins down below. You guys, I hope you have an awesome Thanksgiving week. Don't eat too much turkey. If you want to use this time off to sharpen up your editing or Apple Motion skills, I've got some other videos I know you're going to love. Thanks for hanging out with me today, you guys. I'll see you again.